All right, friends. So today I'm going to review angles with you. After grading your quizzes last week, I felt like most of you, 95% of y'all, had a hard time identifying the three different types of angles that you looked at last week in one of your lessons. So today, what we're going to do is you're going to classify or be able to identify and sort angles such as acute, obtuse, right, or straight angles. So we're going to talk about those, what the differences between each of these types of angles are, and how you can correctly identify them. Okay, so what is an angle? An angle is when two rays, that's the line that has a dot on the end of it and then an arrow going out of it. Two rays share the same endpoint to form an angle. So basically, two rays come together and they make a V shape. The point where the rays intersect or come together is called the vertex of the angle. The two rays are called the sides of the angle. So we're going to look at these things. So here's some examples of angles. If you look right here, this is what we're talking about at this very first angle at the top row. Where these two rays come together, their little points come together and they meet and it makes a V shape. And that means this arrow represents that this line just keeps going forever and ever and ever and ever in one direction, whichever way that arrow is pointing. It means it just goes on and on forever and ever without ending. But this right here, where they meet in that corner and they touch, that is called our vertex right here. So where they come together, it's called the vertex, the center. So all of these are examples of angles. All right, we can identify an angle by using a point on each ray and the vertex. So here's our vertex right here, B. So this ray right here is ray BA or AB. And this ray right here is ray CB or BC. They share the same vertex, okay? So the angle below can be identified also as angle ABC, or it can be CBA. So because this ray, AB, met with CB and they share the vertex B, this whole angle's name is angle ABC or CBA. Both of those would be correct. Now, the vertex always is in the middle, okay? So let's talk about angle measurements. We measure the size of an angle using degrees. So this is not like a temperature outside, but this is a measurement in degrees. Here are some examples of angles and their degree measurements. Let's start on the top row. We have 45-degree angle, another 45-degree angle. Both of these are 45-degree angles no matter which direction it faces. We have a 90-degree angle. A 90-degree angle makes a perfect little square. So if you look around your room, wherever you are at right now, I guarantee you're going to find a 90-degree angle, whether it's the corner of your piece of notebook paper. In my house, I'm looking directly at the corner of my fireplace. It's a 90-degree angle. The corner of my patio door is a 90-degree angle. The corner of an entryway between my living room and Noah's playroom is a 90-degree angle. All right, this bottom row right here is 23 degrees, 72 degrees, and 120 degrees.